welcome to another edition of Kids Can. Today I have my friend Gilby. Gilby, would you like to say something?
Hi guys, my name is Gilby. I'm 4 years old. Let's go play monster truck together.
Awesome! So we're gonna go play monster trucks. So I have a surprise. We're gonna build a monster truck ramp.
Yes.
Yes, and at the end he has a very special surprise.
What is it?
We'll have to wait and find out. I are going to show you today how we made this really neat monster truck run, and then Gilby's going to get to play with it, and he may have a surprise at the end too. So what you'll need, let's show them. We'll show them our secret. So I went to the appliance store, and they have all these really neat big boxes. And so we got a box at the appliance store, and then we cut it up the size we needed it. So
Are you doing this and we're gonna crash?
Yeah, so it doesn't crash. And so it's just the right size for our table. And let's do it this way too so they can see it. It's like a monster car crasher pit.
I don't know.
Yeah, and so to do that one, let's peek and show them how we did it. We took our pool noodle.
Why did I have to get this?
Yeah, we took our pool noodle and we made little bumpers. Yeah, and I noticed that the cars were wiggling, so I put extra pieces of cardboard on the side so that they would not run away.
Yes.
So, do you want to build a big ramp like this?
Yes.
All right, well you can see, because we also have this nice big one, we are going to build a little monster truck run. So what we did was, how we count the pool noodles? How many pool noodles do you think we need?
1, 2.
And how many more we got?
1.
Oh, well, let's see, I'll help you. So we got
1, 2,
3, 4, 5.
5.
Awesome, high five. Good job, sir. Alrighty, and then, so let's pull back our dirt. We got this nice brown sheet to make for the dirt, but you could use felt or what other extra. Alright, so this is, you need to use help, because with the pool noodles you have to cut them with something sharp, so you need a grown-up. You got some grown-ups that can help you do this? Okay, so we're going to use the hot glue gun, and we're going to hot glue it. And then we're going to stick it down. You could also use spray adhesive if you'd rather use spray adhesive. Alrighty. Do you think that would be a good monster truck for your little ones? Is that a good monster truck?
Yes.
Jump. Let's put a little bit. Oh, it's a little wiggly in the middle. Let's add a little more glue in the middle. Alright, let's give that a second to dry. While that's drying. Alright, well he stands on the top. He kind of looks, he matches. It's like a little iceberg. He's a little is he on an iceberg? That's silly. Alright, you gonna cover it up? Let's put the dirt back on it, and then we're gonna decorate it. You're gonna put some rocks around, so it looks more like a monster truck pit?
Yeah.
Alright, where do you wanna put the rocks? You wanna put them around the big jump and the little jump?
No.
No.
Over here.
Over here? Okay. We'll put a lot of rocks over here, and then you can drive your monster truck through them. Let's put some here just to make hold down the jump and make it look a little more realistic.
That's a lot of rocks.
It is a lot of rocks. Alright, we need some on this side too, don't we, so we can see our jump. They went this way. That's sideways. Gilby, you ready to play with your monster trucks?
Yes.
Alright, I'm going to let you pray for a little bit. You enjoy. Gilby, we have a surprise for you today. Are you ready to find out what it is?
Yes.
Let's see.
It's bone shaker.
A bone shaker? What? That is awesome. It's so big. Look compared to your other truck. Look, it's like, how much bigger than it is? It's so much bigger.
It's this one.
Yeah, that one. Have you been wanting this?
Yes.
Yes?
Look.
I see. Look, it's so much, and it's what? What's in there?
It's control.
It's got a remote control.
And you can move anywhere.
That is neat. Oh, you want to get it?
Look at the lights there.
Oh, it's got lights. You want to take it out of the box and see what it does? Yeah, he's so fast. All right, let's open him up carefully. So he's got some tape. Do you want to try to open it? Let me cut the tape for you and then you open him up, okay? Oh, you can do it on top of the cars because the monster truck crushes cars. All right, do I have it open enough for you to pull it out? Let's try opening it up that way. Yeah, there's another one. Okay, keep trying. You can work hard. There we go. You think it pulls out? Let's see if we can get it pulled out. Here we go. Let's pull it out.
Yeah.
Oh, we gotta be strong. You got muscles? Let me see your muscles. Are you strong to pull out? Oh, yeah. Oh. We did it! Awesome!
That's big.
Yeah, it's so big. It's big.
Lift it.
Yeah, we were strong. You lifted it. Good job. All right, let's see if they got twist ties to get out.
Yes.
Oh, more tape. Oh, and batteries. Thank you. Thank you for providing batteries, toy company. Batteries. Monster truck. All right. Okay, we made progress, Gilby. So we got some wires back here, so we're gonna figure out and tell y'all what the wires are for. Yeah, and there's a remote control. Monster truck sounds. It's so tall, it doesn't even touch that little one. That's impressive.
It's not?
No, it's so tall, it doesn't even touch the little truck.
This is giant. All
right, let's put the batteries in. It takes 2 AA batteries, but it came with the batteries, so yay. Whoa, you think?
Yeah.
So we're gonna take it outside. It's cold here today, but we're gonna take it outside and see how fast it goes.
And
in the backyard. Yeah, we're gonna go in the yard and do it. But we did look up and find out that the cord, you can charge it so that you don't have to, the remote control takes the AA batteries, but this, you plug it into your computer and it works really, so or wherever you have a USB charging, you can charge it.
Yeah.
So that's pretty handy. Inside too. There it goes. Didn't he? Huh? All right, backwards. He does good backwards too. It works? Is it doing good? Oh, where's Gilby? He's gone. Oh, there he is. Tell us about your monster truck, all that stuff you were telling me about the river and all of that.
This monster truck can go to the for-real river and have water's engines. When they go water. Like this. That. And the ramp, he go up, and lands.
Mm-hmm.
And he can jump over the moon. That.
All the way over the moon? That is awesome. Alrighty.
And he made it.
Remember, this kid can and so can you. So see you next time, friends. Can you say bye?
Bye.
And kids can. Can you say kids can?
Kids can.
Yeah.